guys, CoinStack here with another tutorial, and today we're going to review Xcode. Alright, I'm going to create a new project, and it's going to be a view-based application, just that I can show you the main files we're going to be using, and I'm going to name this test. So this here is our main Xcode window. We have 5 folders right here, and in our classes folder is where we're going to be writing most of the code in our testViewController.h and testViewController.m. Other sources, we're not going to be using that. Resources, we have our nib files or xib and our info.plist, and our frameworks. Here we're going to add different frameworks that Apple gives us for different applications, and product, which is our final app. So I'm going to go into resources here and quickly show you the interface builder. I'm going to open testViewController.xib. Alright, this here is interface builder and we have 4 main windows. We have our library, our objects, and our inspector, and our view. And our inspector is what is used to change the view. Like, you can change it to landscape and stuff like that. You can give the objects that you pull out of your library different kind of colors and all that stuff. And so that's what the inspector is for. And then in our library we have all of these different objects that we can put into our app, and then our test view controller is different objects that the code is responding to. We'll get into that later into some other tutorials. So yeah, that's interface builder. Then in Xcode, after we looked at all these files here, our frameworks, if we want to add a framework, we're going to go to add existing frameworks, and we can choose here between all of these frameworks that Apple gives us. And then our product, if you did get the license, the $99 license from Apple, I will make a tutorial on how to submit your app to iTunes Connect or with Application Loader, which is another application that comes with Xcode. It's in your developer folder. Then up here in Xcode we have our menu bars, so to say. We have our overview drop down, and you have your simulator, your debug or release, and a couple of other things. Now, only if you have the $99 license from Apple will you be able to use the device and your release button. Then we have our action drop down menu. Here we can add different files and existing frameworks, get some info about some stuff, and all that other non-important things. Then we have build and run and info. Build and run is pretty much compiling your app and all the code and checking if it's correct and launching it in the iPhone simulator. This here is our iPhone simulator. Right now it's going to launch the app that we didn't do anything to, so it's just going to be a blank page. Now this is the same blank page that you saw when we opened the testViewController.xib. I'm gonna close that. And this here's really pretty much a simulator. I mean, you can do anything on here that you could do on a normal phone except for call people and print. Alright, that was my introduction tutorial to Xcode, and keep watching my videos. Thank you.